Good morning, guys. So I've arrived in Iceland and it's pretty cold and nice. It's 4 degrees and I'm about to throw the drone up here in Reykjanes Peninsula. It's close to the lighthouse and stuff like that. There's a really colorful area around here that I really want to capture today because the light is just beautiful. So I'm gonna throw the drone up and see what we can capture today. Sometimes it's not that interesting, but hopefully today it will be. Oh my god, guys, that was bloody brilliant. What a colorful scene. This is silica coming out of the power plant that's over there. There's a power plant over there. There's a power plant here behind me. And it's all geothermal area, so it's earth friendly, like they say. No bloody coal or oil or gas. It's beautiful, but oh my god, these colors. I am a DOP for a live concert tonight, director of photography. It's a release concert by a great artist called Gísli Gunnarsson, a great friend. And this is the venue, the church in Grindavik. And Grindavik, of course, as many of you know, has definitely made the world news because of the volcanic eruptions and the earthquakes that basically damaged a lot of the town. And this is the first event basically in Grindavik since all of this started. So it's going to be a lot of fun to see people who come together here tonight and enjoy good music. It's going to be amazing. So while we're getting ready here at the venue, then the camera guys are on the way and stuff. They're here at 4 o'clock. And now the sound guy is doing his thing. And while I'm waiting for the camera guys, I am editing pictures that I took this morning, and they are coming out really, really good. Absolutely amazing silica paradise. Absolutely. Can't wait to show you. But yeah, the sound guy is obviously loving this song. Very good. Good morning, guys. So I am in the north of Iceland. I'm getting ready to head to Aldeafoss and more places here in the north. It's snowing, it's quite icy, the slippery roads, but we'll see if we can get to the locations that we want to go to. Still dark outside, but sunrise is about 9:30, I think, so we're getting there. We'll see. Hopefully I can get all the way up there, but it's yeah, like I said, snowing, quite icy, and we'll see. Maybe I have to walk for a bit. We'll see. So guys, I made it up. It was not the easiest ride in the world, but not the most difficult one. But the weather is it's gonna be okay, hopefully. Hope this snow lets up, because it's quite wet, hard to fly the drones in weather like this. But I'm gonna go down there and get ready and take some pictures. So guys, as I told you, I made it up to Alteafoss, this beautiful waterfall right here. Absolutely amazing. And I'm putting the DJI Mini 5 Pro through a hard test now. It's a little bit windy, it's snowing, and I am definitely gonna try to see what this little guy can do. Not the ideal conditions. I would not recommend you to try this, but I have to see what it can do. So let's put it in the air, see what it can do. Now that was pretty cool, wasn't it? It's amazing how well that tiny little drone performed in these conditions, and it's amazing. I absolutely love coming up here. Every time I come up here, I am so happy. I mean, this is like, you know, how can you not be? But I remember when the first time I got here, I was driving tourists around the country, and they stayed at the Airbnb close by, and they didn't want to go out. It was foggy and rain and stuff. So I decided to go out myself and drove over here. And it was so foggy that I couldn't see the waterfall until I reached the edge of the cliff here. I could hear it from all the way up the hill, but I couldn't see it until I reached this edge right here. So that was, yeah, I almost cried. Maybe I cried a little bit, we'll see. But you know, but now, winter, snow, this scene, it's, oh, so good, so good. But it's cold. But I have my parka, so it's okay. I mean, look at that. That's just beautiful. And now I'm gonna put the big boys up. I have the Mavic 3 Pro with me and the Air 3S, and I think I'll put the Mavic 3 Pro up here. Just waiting for a little bit more light, so it's coming. Big boy time now. That was absolutely phenomenal. I'll say my last goodbyes to the waterfall and head back up. We're visiting some more locations today, so not a lot of time at each location, because around 4 o'clock it's actually sunset here in Iceland now. So it's a very limited time that you have over the day, and better make the best of it. So I drove further north. I'm at a place now called Námaskarð. It's close to Lake Mývatn here in North Iceland, and it's a little bit too windy, and the weather is, yeah, not playing along at the moment. But I'm gonna wait a little bit and see if the wind dies down, so I can at least throw up the drone. It's not very picturesque at the moment. I think that's a word, right? We'll see. As soon as it calms down, I'm gonna throw up the drone. How absolutely amazing is this? Look at that color. It's beautiful. It's just next to the road here in Mývatn, close to Jarðarberg. It's like a geothermal bathing site here in this area. This is absolutely crazy. Hey guys, so I'm heading south today towards the city, Reykjavik. But I'm gonna fly the drone a little bit around this amazing area here. I'm gonna send up the Air 3S, and this has been on my bucket list to shoot for a long time. But now with the range of the drones, I think it's possible. I think so. Let's try it out. Oh guys, that was absolutely freaking amazing. That fog on the other side of the valley, that was a dream shot. That was a dream shot, that's for sure. And this, the DJI Air 3S, never lost connection or any problems, and it's a beast. It's amazing. The range is amazing. So I got basically, yeah, dream shot right there. So guys, today is the last day here in Iceland this time around. It's been absolutely amazing. I'm here at Lake Kleifavatn now. I went here last night as well to try to find the northern lights, but there was nothing happening. But when I came back to the city, it was a blast off. It was absolutely amazing. I came home like 2 o'clock last night or something. And I was at the lighthouse in Grotta, and there was probably 1,000 people watching the northern lights. It was absolutely amazing. I was thinking about going to the south coast, but just too many tourists, so it's like not worth the drive basically. So close to the city time today, and then tomorrow morning I fly back to Denmark, and I think and I hope that this is my last trip this year, because we are actually moving houses and Christmas is coming. We're gonna spend Christmas in Denmark actually, so that's the first time that we are alone, a little family, during Christmas, so it's quite nice. But yeah, it's been absolutely amazing. It's beautiful weather, as you can see. Not a sky in the cloud. Not a cloud in the sky. Beautiful, but cold, really cold. Let's get cracking.